Java. So this system was designed to manage a pilot crew and their mission using data imported from the .txt file. So the goal of this system is to read the crew and mission data from a file called onepiece_combine.txt. So there was to assign each crew member into one of three queue counter 1, 2, or 3. So if all counter are full, so the remaining crew will be added to a remaining queue. So the queue content is then displayed either through text console output or a graphical user interface GUI. So next we have this system is organized into 5 key classes. We have mission info, we have main.java, crew member info.java, queue manager.java, and queue.gui.java. So I will explain each mission each classes here. First, we go to mission info.java. If you guys can see here the code in this classes, we store information for each mission such as mission ID, mission type, danger level, mission date, expected duration, and bounty reward. Next, we go to crew member info.java. Inside these classes, we represent a crew member, including member ID, member name, pilot crew, and a list of mission assigned to them. Next, we have queue manager. Inside the classes of queue manager.java, there was handled all queue logic. There are 4 queue. We have counter 1 queue, counter 2 queue, counter 3 queue, and also the remaining queue. So each queue right here, there were only max for 5 crew member each. Alright. Next, we have main.java. So the classes for main.java, main for entry point of the program, and also will read the file line by line. There was create object for crew and mission. Insert the crew managers into appropriate queues using queue manager, and will display all the queues via console output. Lastly, we have queue.gui.java class. This queue.gui.java is optional for GUI version using Java Swing. There will be displayed pro queue content visually with button show data and next queue. So here we have the input file. This all of the data will be read every line split the values and build object from the data. The program will read every line each here, split the value and build the object from the data. We have 100 data inside here. So how to run the program? We have two options. First option, the conservation run main.java. So we'll open here, just right click the main.java classes, go to void main string args, and then press OK, and the data will be present right here. Okay, the queue output will appear in here. That's the window, and we're showing the clue list for each counter, if you guys can see here. So this is the optional one. The second optional we will use by GUI version. So for run the GUI version, you need to go to queue manager, right click and go to new queue manager and click OK. After that, go to QA GUI, right click and go to new and click the new queue GUI. After that, inside the new queue GUI here, click queue manager from that way open at queue manager classes. After that, press OK, and the data will appear. So for see the data, you need to click show data button to display the queue contents, or you can click next queue to simulate adding a new queue member manually. So what happened when the code run? The file from the one piece combine.txt is read line by line, line by line. So from each line is split into crew and mission data. If the crew member already exists, their mission is added to their list. If it's a new crew member, they are added to a queue. First to counter 1, then counter 2, and after that counter 3. So if all counters are full, the crew is added to the remaining queue right here. And finally, the queue are displayed added to the console or the GUI window. If you guys can see here. And it will appear all the data inside. So the conclusion of the system is the system will show how we can read data from the file and manage distribute data using queues. After that, we will the data visualize queue operation using both text-based and GUI interfaces. So that's all.